We have seen from our generations that, um, many women struggle to set or hold a healthy boundaries uh, within their family, within their environment. Uh, why does it happen so? And, what is the first step to be able to take that or have that courage to say that I'm done with this and I need my space?
This is something that is very close to my heart because I, mostly work with women and they all have that problem. And even I had that problem growing up. So, what happens are, as women, we have been conditioned
Hmm.
from a childhood to be a good girl, to be quiet, we were praised for being quiet, obedient, and being self-sacrificing. And that conditioning goes on and on even in your adulthood life. And even in the media, if you see all the serials, all this Southpaw serials, and all the movies, when you see the lead, she's so self-sacrificing, right? She's like, I will take care of everybody. The one who takes care of everybody, who puts everybody else's needs above her. That is the woman that we call as Devi. That as a mother, you are so self-sacrificing. You are so this. We put her on a pedestal for being self-sacrificing, and that is what she learns. That she has to always put us others before her. So that is why she doesn't have any sense of boundary, because when she wants to create a boundary, when she wants to say no, she cannot because she feels it is disrespectful, it is being rude, it is not right, she's being a bad person. Because that is what the every society has taught us, right? And so I always say this to my clients that a boundary is not a wall, it is a doorway.
Love that.
So yeah, because it is a doorway which only lets in the right people and it keeps the wrong people out. If you set a healthy boundary that, this is something that is, when you say this or when you do this, it makes me feel like this. So I would appreciate that, if we can work around this. So you are not saying this to hurt other person, right? You are only protecting your space. And if the other person really loves you, respects you, and you're important to them, will they not understand that, right? We all always think that setting boundaries like a hard no. No, it is not. It is just communicating your need with clarity and with love and with respect, and just asking the other person to understand that.
Great.